Welcome to our channel. Today we're uncovering some of India's best-kept secrets, 10 hidden gems that are perfect for your 2024 travel plans. If you're looking for unique, off-the-beaten-path destinations, you're in for a treat. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel inspiration. First up is Gokarna in Karnataka, a serene coastal town often overshadowed by Goa. Gokarna's beaches, like Om Beach and Kudli Beach, are perfect for a quiet escape, while the Mahabaleshwar temple adds a spiritual touch to your visit. Travel tip: visit between October and February for the best weather and fewer crowds. Next, we travel to Ziro Valley, a remote paradise in Arunachal Pradesh. Home to the Apatani tribe, this valley is known for its green rice fields and the vibrant Ziro Music Festival. It's a perfect destination for those who love nature and culture. Travel tip: visit during the Ziro Music Festival in September or explore the valley in the off-season for a quieter experience. Third on our list is Majuli, the world's largest river island on the Brahmaputra River in Assam. Majuli is rich in culture, with its numerous satras that preserve Assamese traditions. The island's serene environment and vibrant cultural life make it a must-visit. Travel tip: reach Majuli via ferry from Jorhat and plan your visit during one of the island's many festivals. Next, we visit Chitrakote Falls in Chhattisgarh, often called the Niagara of India. This 95-foot waterfall is a spectacular sight, especially during the monsoon, and is surrounded by dense forests. Travel tip: visit during the monsoon, from July to October, to see the falls at their fullest. From Chhattisgarh, we move to the high-altitude town of Tawang in Arunachal Pradesh. At 10,000 feet, Tawang is famous for its stunning monastery and breathtaking mountain views. It's a spiritual and scenic haven. Travel tip: visit between March and October to avoid the harsh winter. Next, we take you to Mandu in Madhya Pradesh, an ancient town known for its rich history and stunning architecture. The Jahaz Mahal and Rani Rupmati's pavilion are just two of the many sites that showcase the region's grandeur. Travel tip: visit Mandu during the monsoon to see the ruins surrounded by lush greenery. Spiti Valley in Himachal Pradesh is a remote, high-altitude desert that's perfect for adventure seekers. Known as Little Tibet, Spiti offers dramatic landscapes and centuries-old monasteries. Travel tip: the best time to visit is between May and October. Be sure to acclimatize properly due to the high altitude. Bhimbetka, a UNESCO World Heritage Site in Madhya Pradesh, is home to some of the world's oldest cave paintings. These shelters provide a fascinating glimpse into prehistoric human life. Travel tip: Bhimbetka is easily accessible from Bhopal and can be visited year-round. A guide can help you fully appreciate the history behind the rock art. Our next stop is Zuku Valley on the border of Nagaland and Manipur, often referred to as the Valley of Flowers in the northeast. This hidden gem is a trekker's paradise with its rolling hills and seasonal flowers. Travel tip: the best time to visit is between June and September, when the valley is in full bloom. Finally, we reach Gurez Valley in Jammu and Kashmir, a serene and remote valley offering untouched natural beauty. With its meadows, flowing rivers, and traditional wooden houses, Gurez is perfect for those who want to experience the raw beauty of Kashmir. Travel tip: visit during the summer months when the weather is pleasant and the valley is lush and green. And that's our list of India's hidden gems. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow travelers, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel inspiration. Let us know in the comments which destination you're adding to your 2024 travel list, and share your experiences if you've visited any of these places. Until next time, happy travels!